What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps crashing issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green then you can lift up your finger from this screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the app crashing issue, then open and close the app which is crashing. So if your messenger app is crashing, then open the app and go to recents and close the app and do it 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the app's crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your phone's software. So for that, open settings, go to about phone and tap on the software version, and then it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update the phone to the latest version. And after updating the software of your phone to the latest version, the app's crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your apps are crashing in your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.